boys and girls. I'm so happy that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. I have some special helpers today. I have Travis and Christiana and Cadence and Carter. And today, boys and girls, guess what we're going to make? Wheat crackers. Doesn't that sound good?
Yeah.
Oh, that'll make a nice snack. Good and healthy, too. Well, let's get started, guys. Okay, for you, Carter and Travis, you can put in 2 cups of the whole wheat flour. And Cadence and Christiana, you put in 2 cups of our white whole wheat flour. 2 cups. But you're, wait. Look at your cups, because it's got to say a 1 on it. Because you want a 1 cup. Good, Carter.
I got a knife.
You have a knife. 1 cup, yep, and you'll need 2 of those. You need to fill those ties.
I don't have one.
Okay, oh good, Christiana, you'll need 2 of those. And Cadence, you need 2 of your 1 cup. And this is a 1. And so that's your 1 cup. So you'll need, fill this one up. You'll need 2 of these. Okay, let me help you. You can use your hand, but you want to make sure you get it all full.
That's not
See, got to get it full to the top. Just wait. We got to have a little bit more. Boys and girls, when you're measuring, that's perfect.
That's too
when
much.
you're measuring, boys and girls,
Let me
make sure, look what we're doing. We're measuring, and then we're taking a knife and leveling it off so you get a nice 1 cup, okay?
help you?
Okay, you can pour it in. Good job, Cadence. Pour that one in. Oh, no. You have to pour it in this bowl, okay?
Sorry.
So let's do this again. There we go. Okay. How are you guys doing over? Oh, Travis, that's so nice of you to help.
Level.
Okay, you want to get this one level, Cadence?
That's better.
Travis, that's so nice of you to help.
Gotta get that in there.
That's right. That's exactly right. Good
That's
job.
funny.
Good job. Level it off just like that. Good job. Okay, pour that in.
It's a little bit
And
more.
Travis, you need to get your 2 cups of this
This
in.
is mine.
No, you need 2 big cups. Yes, these. 2 of these. And you need 1 more. That's your first one. Good job. Carter, you got your 2 cups in already?
Yeah.
Then Carter, go ahead and put 2 teaspoons full of salt. Now, boys and girls, make sure that when you're measuring, you have your measuring cup or your measuring spoon full, because otherwise your recipe won't turn out very good. So you've got your salt in, Carter. So now put in, you want your 2 tablespoons, and I need your teaspoon, Travis. And so, because you don't have salt yet, right? Okay, Carter, you're going to have 2 tablespoons of the flaxseed.
Full? Okay.
Let me see it before you dump it in, okay? Okay, hold it very still, Travis, because we want to get 2 teaspoons of salt. Ready? Okay, go ahead and dump it. And there's your 2. Okay, now get me your, Christiana, why don't you get me your tablespoon, because it's your turn. Good job, Carter. Okay, dump that one.
1 more, right?
Cadence, can you fill that cup with the flour? Good girl.
Cinda, 1 more?
1 more. Okay, good. Oh, nope, that's a teaspoon. I need the bigger one. There you go, Christiana. Now I need 2 tablespoons of the flaxseed. Did you get 2, Carter?
Yeah.
Okay, now you guys can stir it up. Why don't you help Cadence with her 1 cup of flour?
Okay, kid.
Yep, full. That's good. Good, Christiana. Okay, you can dump it in. And then 1 more. Good. Oh, a little bit more. You're right. A little bit more. Good job. Okay, dump that in. Okay. Now you're going to help, you can help Travis whisk it up. I'll move this over here because we need to add our liquid ingredients
Cinda,
now.
where do we put this?
Did you get, okay, put that in. Good job. Good job. Okay, now you guys, we're going to be doing our liquid. So you'll need your orange bowls. And let me put, we put in a half a cup of canola oil. and you look and see the line that says 1/2? Okay. Do you see that?
There.
That's right. So we'll put in 1/2 cup. So pour that in your bowl. And Christiana, do you guys see the 1/2? See the 1/2 right there? That's where we're going to measure it to. So we'll put our oil in 1/2. And make sure, boys and girls, when you're pouring that you get it even. Okay, you want to pour that in your orange bowl. There you go. Oh, that's okay. I'll get it. And then now we're going to do 1/2 cup of the canola. And it's Travis's turn. Sure. There you go. Okay, pour that in. Okay, Carter, let's do 1/2 cup for you.
Now let's already do another.
I know, there.
Our whisk.
And now we need 1 cup of water. So, let me get our water. I think I left it in the refrigerator, didn't I?
Yeah.
All right, let's get our water. Here we go. Okay, 1 cup of water. Who wants to pour our water in? You want to pour one? How about if you each pour half? Would that be fair? Whoa.
Half.
Come on, water. There. It's not, there we go. 1 cup of water. Okay, you pour half and then let Christiana pour half. And you want to hand me yours?
I'll let you pour.
Okay, let's get a cup here.
Come on.
Oh, okay.
You might want me to
And
do
then,
all of it 'cause it's really, really
Carter, let's move the bowl over here by Cadence. You want to pour? Wait, let's pour it in here. Pour it in this one.
Yes, you
There you go.
can you pour half and I'll pour half.
Okay, now get your whisk and whisk it up. Right here.
You can do it.
Pour it all in.
This looks
And now
like
get your
Jell-O,
whisk.
Cinda, this looks like Jell-O.
It does? Okay, whisk it good. Whisk it good.
Look at ours. It
Whis-
looks like Jell-O.
Yeah.
That's because it's
Okay, whisk it good. Because now we're going to, now you're going to pour it into your flour bowl. Let me move all this for you. Okay, pour.
Funny.
Okay, pour this into this. Okay, do you?
Want me to do it?
You guys? Oh, good job, Cadence.
Heavy.
Okay, let's Carter pour this into here. Let's mix yours a little bit. There you go. Okay, pour it in.
Who's gonna get it?
Okay. Okay, let's not use that whisk if it fell on the floor. I'll put it over here, okay? Because we don't want to use it if it fell on the floor. Okay.
Let's batter it up.
Okay, mix it all up. You might want your wooden spoons. Mix it all up and let me get you. Go ahead, Travis, pour it all in. Good job. So boys and girls, do you see what we're doing? We're pouring the liquid into the dry ingredients. Okay, get all that mixed up. Because then, some more fun. Who's having fun?
Me.
Okay. How you guys doing over here? You need some help? Do you want some help? Here, let's get, so let's not use your whisks anymore because see, your dough gets stuck in your whisk and there, you don't want that. There. That's okay, we have a towel. Here's a towel. You need a towel too? There. How's that? Good, okay.
Kids, come on.
Let me get all this out of here so that you guys could have room to work.
Miss Cinda.
Oh, wow. How about if I help you? Let's help you mix it up.
Pretty much mixed up.
Well, you see all this, do you see all this flour in the bottom?
Yeah.
All that has to be mixed up. See, you want to see how I'm working that in? And you guys can use your hands now if you want.
Yeah.
Why don't you use your hands and work that in? Because you, boys and girls, when you're making these at home, make sure you get all that dry ingredients, all the dry flour, make sure you get it all mixed up, okay? Oh, good
With
job,
the
Candace. Okay, see all that flour in there? You might want to use your hands now because you want to get all that. Here, Carter, I'll take it. You want to get that all mixed up. See all that powder in the bottom? That's really flour. It looks like powder, doesn't it? Okay, get your hands in there and mix it up. Can you reach it? Oh, let me wipe this off for you. Boy, I tell you what, we're going to have fun cleaning up today, aren't we?
Yeah.
Boys and girls, don't worry about a mess because we'll clean it up.
And it's
We'll
fun
have
to
fun
clean it
cleaning
up.
it, won't we?
Yep.
Okay, now what you do is put it on here, and now use your rolling pins and roll it out. Now, Miss Cinda's already made, oh, was that our timer? That means we have to hurry because we're
come on.
almost done with our cooking program. So, okay, let's put it on here.
Roll it, roll it, roll
All right, get your rolling pins, and now roll it out. And Miss Cinda's already made some, so you guys are going to get to taste them. What do you think about that? Does that sound fun? You get to taste them? Okay, can you roll them? Here, roll them like this. See, put a hand on either side.
Yeah.
There you go. And Kate Carter, you do this end. You do this end. And let Candace do this. Oh, you know what? It'll probably be easier if you do it like this, because then your rolling pins work.
Yeah.
There, you guys are figuring it out. And if your rolling pins don't work, boys and girls, you can just pat it with your fingers, okay? See, just like this, you can pat it with your fingers and get it all spread out even on your cookie sheet. Oh, you can use your fingers. There you go, just like that. Good job. See how I'm doing that? That's right. And then, boys and girls, look. Miss Cinda has already made some. And who wants to taste one?
Me.
Would you like to taste one? Ooh, what do you think?
This is good.
Are they good? You like them? Well, keep patting yours out. And as soon as you get it all patted, then you know what you want to do? You're going to take a knife and we call this scoring it. Look how I'm doing. See, I'm cutting, and you'll cut one way, and then you'll cut another to make little squares, okay? So as soon as you get patted out, oh, let me get you a knife. Oh, that's our kitchen timer. That's all the time we have for now, boys and girls. But we're going to finish our recipe, and you can get an adult to help you make some at home.
I made a moon.
Because anytime you're in the kitchen, it's fun.
Look, Cinda, I made a moon.
Yay!